What is happening, people? Frank here from Inside the Garage. On this week's Garage Challenge, we had something pretty interesting happen. Hasn't happened in a very long time of doing this business. We're actually working on a car, and a repo man comes and takes the car. Done deal. We can't say anything. Now, we felt bad for the customer, and thankfully it wasn't a large repair. It was really just in the midst of a checkout fee. That was pretty shocking. We felt bad for the customer. We actually made phone calls to the customer, tried to save a day somehow, some way, but at the end of the day, there wasn't anything we could do. What happens if you have a large repair bill? Have you experienced this? Thankfully, like I said, that was a small bill. It wasn't a big deal. So, Garage Repo, that was this week's challenge. If you missed our last marketing calendar, we're offering our marketing calendar. By no means is it perfect, but give you some ideas about how you can bring in some cars in your shop. Get up to the email up on the website. You'll see that on the homepage, and we'll send you our marketing calendar. Until then, that's this week's Garage Challenge. I'd like to hear what you have to say about a garage repossession.